I choose a different dish. Calf liver with lime sauce. I'm going to start by doing the sauce. The sauce consists of what we call a gastric. A gastric is vinegar, white wine vinegar, and sugar cooked together until it turns into a very light brown color. Make sure you don't burn it because you got a lot of bitterness after that. So, and then I will add a bit of orange juice, a bit of lime juice, let it cook, skim it a little bit, and chicken stock. Reduce it, add a bit of butter to finish the sauce. We love butter in France too. So we just to finish it to make it glossy, and the sauce will be ready. It's a very simple sauce to do. The only important thing you got to do is to control your caramel. The rest is quite easy. So I'm going to start by doing the sauce with a gastric sauce. Gastric is sugar, vinegar. That's white wine vinegar, because we want to keep the sauce clean. Mix together. So that goes on the fire. The thing is, you got to keep an eye on that. The next stage will be to stop the caramel. Is going to be to add some orange juice and lime juice. It's a lime sauce, but we always put orange juice to make it a bit more sweeter, a bit better. Not better, but different, you know, and turn it into a blonde caramel. The thing, when you look at it, you wait to turn it in blonde caramel, it seems to be an eternity. You know, it's not very far now, as you can see. Okay, that is blonde. I'm going to add the juice now to stop the cooking. Otherwise, it will turn into dark color. I put the tulle juice. I use only fresh orange juice and fresh lime juice, you know, but you can use a good juice from a container, you know. So I use a little bit of foam up here on the top. I'm going to remove the foam with a bit of impurity, not bad impurity, but it's from the juices, because I want to finish with a clear sauce. Try to go to the perfection, you know. So you see? It's not bad, you know, it's just a bit of foam. Now I'm going to add some chicken stock. That's it. And I'm going to reduce the chicken stock to finish my sauce. So now I'm going to do the lime, but at the same time I got to go from a different board, green with vegetables. So take the lime, cut both ends. You know that shape. So with your blade, you got to follow the shape of the lime. Very easy job. You know, roughly like if it was a rugby ball, you know, that oval shape. Now I go there with the blade against the skin. You can see there is some skin in between. Segment, what we call segment. So the thing is to go from this one to this one. And you got one. This one there. That's it. And keep an eye on the caramel, on the sauce. I don't want to burn it. Now I'm going to cook the liver. So to cook the liver is olive oil, cooking oil. So I'm going to cook the liver now on a medium heat, not too hot, because in the liver you got a lot of blood in it, and if the oil is too hot, you will seal too fast and burn the blood. So it will it will have a black crust on top of the liver, which is not very appetizing. Huh? So I keep it slow, quite slow. So I'm going to season the liver, salt, always the same, salt and pepper. And you season on both sides. Both sides, salt and pepper. So you see the flame is not too hard because it will take some time. I like the liver quite thick. So that's why it will take quite a bit of time to cook. I know a lot of people, they can like it very, very, very thin. It's up to you. Like. What you like is best, you know. So mine will be a bit thicker. But what is important, control your fire. Otherwise, it will be not burned, but still too hard. It will be a dark color, not very appetizing. You know, what I'm looking to finish with a piece of meat will be medium rare. That's the way I like it. In fact, for liver, you don't call it medium rare, you call it pink. There is something like the same for the lamb. A lamb, you don't say, I want it rare or I want it blue. No, we say pink. In general, it's pink, the majority. Some people will say, well done. But and it's funny because when you do a piece of beef, you got a different appellation for the same result. Now I'm putting a bit of butter, and it's always unsalted butter, because if you put salted butter, it will bring some more salt in a dish. And as the meat is already seasoned, you don't need that, you know. I think salted butter is beautiful on a piece of bread, like that, and to eat like that is very, very, very good. But not for cooking. For cooking is always normal, what I call normal butter. You know? In fact, in France, salted butter is quite a luxury. You know? French people don't eat salted butter, except if you are in Brittany. Brittany, they got the tradition of salted butter, and it's very good. But the rest of France don't eat salted butter. But we eat butter in a different form. We eat butter in a bit of sauce, of course, and in pastry. We use a lot of butter in pastry, croissant, pain au chocolat, chocolatine, all those things. Use butter and pastry, yes. While the meat is cooking, I'm going to finish the sauce. So the sauce is, I say the sauce is ready there, you know. The only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put a bit of butter in it. Same system than all the sauces. Butter should be a bit slightly soft butter. If it's too cold, it will cool the sauce. It will cool the sauce too fast. And if it's too liquid, you know, it will come to the top of the sauce and doesn't look nice. Now I'm going to add the limes. I just cut the lime in two, like that, and I will add it. Leave it like that until the meat is ready. So, and that comes from Gascony. We got different liver. The best liver is calf liver, by far. We use other liver, so like a pork liver, we don't really cook it like that because it's too bloody. So we use a pork liver to make a charcuterie, terrine, all those things. In Corsica, they make a saucisson with it, with very good. And so they got different technique. Calf liver is number one. Foie gras, I don't know if you're allowed to talk about foie gras, but it's fantastic. It will be up to there. And but the chicken liver is good. A good salad of sauté chicken liver, a bit of shallot, déglaze with a bit of vinegar on top of a frisée salad or a corn salad, a mashed salad. It's a fantastic dish, you know. as long as you got a good product. You know, the most important is to start with a good product. If you start with an ordinary chicken liver, you know, from a battery chicken, I don't think it will be very good. But if you got a good, like anything, food start with the ingredient. You got to buy the best of the ingredients. Yeah. So the liver is ready. Remove it. Same system than most of the meat. Give him a little rest. You know, he need to have a little rest. I'm going to change from green to red. Red means meat, green means vegetables, blue means fish. Okay, I'm going to dress the liver. You can say it's quite a nice piece of liver, you know, very thick, you know. So it will be a kind of rare inside. Eh? When you cut it like that in, we call it in biseau in French, you know. You don't cut it like that. It's not. Well, the only reason, I suppose, it doesn't change the taste of the liver. But when you dress it, when you are going to dress it on a plate, it looks better, you know. You see, you can see the inside of the liver. At the garnish, we got a bit of courgettes, and we'll bring some different color to the courgettes, you know? A bit of green, as you got to eat your green, so that's perfect. And the sauce will go on the top. Yeah? So you just make sure the lime go in the middle, just for presentation. And you don't need to put a lot of sauce there because it's a sweet and sour sauce. You want it just to complement the meat. It doesn't need to. It's not the type of sauce you take a piece of bread and soak your bread in the sauce and enjoy it like that. This one is a different sauce, so it's mainly like that. So that's calf liver with lime, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Bon appétit.